Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set the time in your Mitsubishi Outlander. First, make sure your vehicle's ignition is turned on, but the engine does not need to be running. Next, locate the Settings or Info button, usually found near your infotainment screen or on the dashboard. This button is your gateway to adjusting various vehicle preferences, including the clock. We will walk through each step together. Once you've pressed the Settings or Info button, a menu will appear on your display. You'll need to navigate through these options to find the clock settings. Use the control knob, often located near the screen, or the arrow buttons to scroll. Look for an option clearly labeled Clock or Time, and then select it to proceed to the next step. Now that you are in the clock menu, you should see an option like Set Time or Adjust Time. Select this. You will typically see the hour flashing first. Use your control knob or arrow buttons to increase or decrease the hour. After setting the hour, move to the minutes, which will then flash, and adjust them similarly. This allows for precise time setting. Once you have adjusted both the hours and minutes to the correct time, the final step is to confirm your changes. Look for an OK, Enter, or Set button on your display or a corresponding physical button. Pressing this will save your new time. Your vehicle's clock will immediately update, showing the accurate time you just set. You are all done.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.